Congratulations, you have selected ESP32 over Arduino due to its inbuilt Wi-Fi, Bluetooth capability and lower prices. So in this video, we will talk about how to set up ESP32 using Arduino IDE. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to download the Arduino IDE. You have to go to the arduino.cc website and go to the products and select the Arduino IDE. From this page, you have to select your operating system and then click on the download button. After clicking, you have to wait to download the software. Once it gets downloaded, you have to click on it. I agree. Next, select the destination folder. I have already installed Arduino IDE, so let's get to it. After installing the software, you have to go to the File, Preferences and come to the Additional Board Manager URL, where you have to copy and paste the URL of the board manager, which is available on my website garage.in. Go to the ESP32 Arduino IDE setup and where the link is available. Directly copy from that and paste in this URL section. If there is already any other board manager link is there, you can put a comma and paste this link. After pasting this link, you have to press on OK. Next, you have to go to the Tools, Boards and Boards Manager. Search for the ESP32 and install the ESP32 by Express If system. Your system should be connected with the internet and it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. After installing, just connect your ESP32 to the PC. Next, you have to go to the Tools and Port section. If your ESP32 is not showing in the ports, then you have to press Windows plus X, go to the Device Manager, and you can see there is an issue with the USB drivers. For that, the link is provided on the website. You have to just download the required driver for the USBs. Go to the download section and install the CP210X VCP Windows drivers. Just click on the link. After downloading, you have to install one of the installer according to your operating system, or 32-bit or 64 bits. After installing, you can see there is a Silicon Labs USB is detected, which is your ESP32. Next, you have to go to the Tools, Port section and select the COM port. Go to the board ESP32 and select the ESP32 dev module. You can select other module if the model name is mentioned on your ESP32, but if you don't know, select the ESP32 dev module. Next, we will test this simple code which is provided on the website. Just paste, upload, and you will definitely face this error, which is a wrong boot mode detected error. So to solve this, whenever there is a connecting ... is showing, just press this boot button once. It will solve this error and you will see such details which is showing that your ESP32 is loading the program. Just wait for 100% to be completed, and after successfully uploading, it is also mentioned that done uploading. Next, you have to go to the Tools, Serial Monitor section. On the right hand side, you have to set 115200 as a baud rate, and on the left hand side you can see the uptime of ESP32 is showing. So if you face any difficulty or have any question, you can write down on the comment section. All the links are provided in the description. For more such video, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.